Today we're going to talk about how to have a healing conversation with your partner after a fight. So the first thing to know is that all couples fight. Period. End of sentence. If you and your partner fight a lot, that's okay. It's not usually the fight, actually, where couples get into trouble. It's usually the repair. And what I mean by repair is what do you do after the fight to make things better with your partner? So I'm going to talk through a couple of steps for how to have a healing conversation with your partner. Step number one, make sure you're in a good place to have the conversation. Make sure that you're inside of your window of tolerance, that you're not still super angry. And if you are, take a few moments to calm yourself down. Then check in with your partner and make sure that they're ready to hear you, that they're in a good place to have the conversation too. Then you're going to want to take responsibility for your part in the argument. Usually, there's at least one thing that you can take responsibility for. At least that's the case for me. Then you're going to want to check in with your partner and see what it is that they need to hear. Where are they? What do they need to hear from you in order to move forward? And then if you can, try to just say what they want to hear. Not for the purposes of just making things okay, but really to try to understand where they're coming from and what their perspective is. If you get stuck anywhere along here, check out a couples therapist because you don't have to deal with this on your own. All right. Hope you have a good day. Bye.